New research reveals how to reverse gray hair naturally. Are you tired of hearing that gray hair is permanent and there's nothing you can do except dye it? What if brand new research has completely changed what we know about reversing gray hair and revealed natural methods that actually work? For decades, scientists believed that once your hair turned gray, it was irreversible and you just had to accept it. But groundbreaking studies published in recent years have discovered the exact mechanisms that cause gray hair and, more importantly, how to reverse the process naturally. Today, I'm revealing the latest scientific research on reversing gray hair naturally. These aren't old theories or unproven remedies. This is cutting-edge science that's changing everything we thought we knew. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the critical discovery that makes reversal possible. Scientists at Columbia University discovered in 2021 that gray hair can actually reverse to its natural color when stress or nutritional deficiencies are corrected. This groundbreaking research published in the journal eLife completely overturned the long-held belief that once hair turns gray, it's permanent and irreversible. The mechanism involves understanding that graying isn't always a one-way street to permanent color loss. Studies revealed that individual hair strands can gain and lose pigment over time, depending on your body's metabolic state and stress levels. Think about how a light switch can turn on and off. Scientists discovered that melanocytes in hair follicles can essentially turn back on under the right conditions. Clinical research documented actual reversals of gray hair in human subjects. According to the Columbia University study, researchers analyzed individual hair strands from 14 participants and found segments where gray hair had returned to its natural pigmented color. The research demonstrated that these reversals corresponded to periods when participants experienced reduced stress or improved health status. Think about those times when you've noticed your gray hair seems worse during stressful periods. The new research validates this observation and shows it works both ways. Research demonstrates that when stress decreases or nutritional status improves, some recently grayed hairs can regain their color. This discovery fundamentally changes our understanding of what's possible with natural gray hair reversal. Studies from multiple research institutions found that the reversibility window appears to be relatively short, typically within the first few months to years after a hair loses pigment. The research showed that hairs that have been gray for many years are less likely to reverse because the melanocyte stem cells may have been depleted. However, recently grayed hair retains the potential for repigmentation. Here's where it gets really exciting for anyone dealing with premature graying. The research suggests that up to 20 to 30% of prematurely gray hairs may be reversible if the underlying cause is addressed quickly enough. Studies show that this reversal potential is highest in people under 40 whose graying is driven by stress, nutritional deficiencies, or other modifiable factors rather than pure genetics. The second major research breakthrough involves understanding exactly how psychological stress causes gray hair and why reducing stress can reverse recent graying. Research from multiple universities has uncovered the precise biological mechanisms linking stress to melanocyte dysfunction and pigment loss. The mechanism involves stress hormones, particularly norepinephrine released from sympathetic nerves, directly affecting melanocyte stem cells in hair follicles. Studies reveal that when you experience chronic stress, your sympathetic nervous system floods hair follicles with norepinephrine. This chemical signal triggers melanocyte stem cells to convert into mature melanocytes too rapidly, depleting the stem cell reservoir. Think about what happens when you withdraw money from a savings account faster than you deposit it. Research demonstrates that melanocyte stem cells are like a reserve bank that normally releases cells gradually to maintain pigmentation. But chronic stress causes massive premature activation of these stem cells, exhausting the supply. Once the stem cell pool is depleted, that hair follicle can no longer produce pigmented hair. Here's what makes this research groundbreaking for understanding reversibility. The studies showed that if stress is reduced before complete stem cell depletion, remaining stem cells can resume their normal regulated function. Research from Harvard Medical School demonstrated that stress reduction interventions allowed some melanocyte stem cell populations to stabilize and resume producing pigmented hair. The time frame matters critically for reversal potential to occur. Research shows that recently stressed hair follicles that grayed within the past few months to a year retain more melanocyte stem cells and have higher reversal potential. Studies demonstrate that follicles that have been gray for many years have likely depleted their stem cell reserves completely, making reversal unlikely. Multiple studies have now documented stress-related graying reversal in humans. Research published in 2020 analyzed hair from people who experienced periods of high stress followed by stress reduction. The studies found visible bands in individual hairs where gray segments returned to pigmented color, corresponding precisely to timing of stress reduction. Stress management techniques proven effective in research include daily meditation, which studies show reduces cortisol and sympathetic nervous system activation. Research demonstrates that mindfulness-based stress reduction practiced for 20 minutes daily can lower stress hormones that drive melanocyte stem cell depletion. Exercise, adequate sleep, and social connection all contribute to stress reduction that may help preserve remaining melanocyte stem cells. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the new research on reversing gray hair better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The third major research area involves new understanding of how nutritional deficiencies cause gray hair and which nutrients are most critical for reversal. Research from the past 5 years has identified specific vitamins and minerals where deficiency directly impairs melanin production and where correction can restore pigmentation. The mechanism involves melanocytes requiring specific nutrients to produce melanin and maintain their function. Studies reveal that deficiencies in vitamin B12, folate, copper, iron, and vitamin D all impair melanocyte function through different mechanisms. The new research shows that correcting these deficiencies can reverse graying in a significant percentage of deficient individuals. Think about how a car needs fuel, oil, and properly functioning parts to run. Research demonstrates that melanocytes need these specific nutrients like essential components. Without them, melanin production shuts down regardless of how healthy melanocyte stem cells are. The exciting discovery is that restoring these nutrients can restart melanin production in follicles that still have viable melanocytes. Here's what makes the nutritional research particularly actionable. A 2017 study published in the International Journal of Trichology examined 52 patients with premature graying and found that 74% had at least one nutritional deficiency. Research showed that when these deficiencies were corrected through supplementation, approximately 35% of patients experienced partial repigmentation of recently grayed hair. Vitamin B12 deficiency research has been especially compelling. Studies show that severe B12 deficiency causes premature graying, and correction leads to repigmentation in many cases. Research from 2016 documented patients whose gray hair darkened significantly after 3 to 6 months of high-dose B12 therapy at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. Copper deficiency research revealed similar reversal potential. Studies demonstrate that copper is essential for tyrosinase enzyme function in melanin synthesis. Research showed that patients with documented copper deficiency and premature graying who received copper supplementation experienced visible darkening of hair over 4 to 6 months. The vitamin D research is newer but equally exciting. Studies published in 2020 and 2021 found significant associations between vitamin D deficiency and premature graying. Research demonstrated that bringing vitamin D levels from deficient ranges below 20 nanograms per milliliter to optimal ranges above 40 nanograms per milliliter corresponded with improved hair pigmentation in some individuals. Iron deficiency has also been linked to premature graying in recent research. Studies show that iron is essential for various enzymatic processes in melanocytes. Research demonstrates that correcting iron deficiency anemia through supplementation at 25 to 65 milligrams of elemental iron daily helped improve hair pigmentation in some deficient individuals over 4 to 6 months. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about this new research on reversing gray hair naturally. The fourth major research discovery involves understanding how hydrogen peroxide accumulates in hair follicles and causes bleaching from the inside out. Research from the past decade has uncovered that massive buildup of hydrogen peroxide in aging hair follicles literally bleaches hair white, and that boosting catalase enzymes can help break down this peroxide. The mechanism involves melanocytes producing small amounts of hydrogen peroxide as a byproduct of melanin synthesis. Studies reveal that in young healthy hair follicles, the enzyme catalase breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen immediately. However, research shows that catalase production decreases with age, allowing hydrogen peroxide to accumulate to levels thousands of times higher than normal. Think about how bleach works to strip color from fabric. Research demonstrates that accumulated hydrogen peroxide does exactly that to your hair from the inside of each follicle. The peroxide bleaches melanin that's already been produced and also damages the melanocytes themselves, creating a vicious cycle of increasing grayness. Here's what makes this research exciting for reversal potential. Studies from the University of Bradford discovered that aged hair follicles contained extremely high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide that could be reduced with catalase mimetic compounds. Research showed that treatments designed to boost catalase activity or provide catalase from external sources could reduce peroxide levels. The PCKUS compound research generated significant attention. Studies showed that a topical compound containing catalase and other ingredients reduced hydrogen peroxide in hair follicles and led to repigmentation in some participants. Research published in 2009 demonstrated that daily application over several months produced visible darkening of gray hair in clinical trials. Natural approaches to supporting catalase have also been researched. Studies show that catalase levels can be supported through dietary antioxidants and specific nutrients. Research demonstrates that foods rich in catalase, including cruciferous vegetables, sweet potatoes, and sprouts, may help support the body's natural catalase production. Supplemental catalase from natural sources has shown promise in research. Studies demonstrate that catalase supplements derived from vegetable sources provide active enzymes that may help reduce hydrogen peroxide accumulation. Research shows that taking 100 to 500 units of catalase daily may support follicle health. The dietary approach to supporting catalase involves consuming foods that either contain the enzyme or support its production. Research shows that raw fruits and vegetables contain active catalase that may be absorbed to some degree. Studies demonstrate that juicing or eating raw vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, kale, radishes, and turnips provides catalase along with other beneficial compounds for hair health. The biggest mistake people make that prevents them from reversing gray hair naturally is expecting complete reversal of all gray hair to original color overnight, when the research shows reversal is only possible for recently grayed hair when underlying causes are addressed consistently for months. Here's the critical truth. The new research reveals reversal is possible, but requires the right conditions, timing, and sustained intervention. The mechanism involves understanding that gray hair reversal, according to research, is most likely when graying is recent, caused by modifiable factors like stress or nutrition, and when intervention happens before complete melanocyte stem cell depletion. Studies show that hair that's been gray for many years is unlikely to reverse because the melanocyte stem cell pool has been exhausted. Think about the unrealistic expectations created by sensational headlines claiming gray hair reversal is easy or guaranteed. Research demonstrates that while reversal is possible for a subset of gray hairs under specific conditions, complete reversal of all gray throughout the entire head is extremely rare. Studies show that realistic outcomes include stopping progression, partial darkening of some gray areas, and better pigmentation in new growth. Another critical mistake is not addressing the underlying cause of graying. Research reveals that if stress, nutritional deficiency, or other modifiable factors caused graying, reversal requires correcting that factor. Studies show that taking supplements randomly without testing for deficiencies or trying to reverse gray hair without managing chronic stress produces minimal results. Not maintaining interventions long enough prevents the gradual improvements that research shows take months to become visible. Studies demonstrate that nutritional deficiency correction requires 3 to 6 months of supplementation before hair pigmentation changes become apparent. Research shows that stress reduction benefits also take months of consistent practice to impact hair follicle biology. Continuing destructive habits undermines reversal efforts. Research reveals that smoking generates massive oxidative stress that accelerates melanocyte depletion. Studies show that excessive alcohol depletes B vitamins essential for melanocyte function. Poor sleep quality impairs cellular repair processes in hair follicles. Focusing only on topical treatments without addressing internal factors limits effectiveness. Research shows that while some topical treatments show promise, the most effective approach combines internal optimization through nutrition, stress management, and supplementation with external support through scalp health and circulation. Ignoring the importance of consistency and timing prevents seeing the gradual improvements documented in research. Studies show that participants in gray hair reversal studies who saw results maintained their interventions daily for a minimum of 3 to 6 months. Research demonstrates that sporadic supplementation or inconsistent stress management produces minimal to no reversal even when the underlying cause is theoretically addressable. Not getting proper testing before starting interventions wastes time and money. Research reveals that supplementing nutrients you're not deficient in provides no benefit for gray hair reversal. Studies show that testing for vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron, and copper deficiencies before supplementing allows targeted intervention that's more likely to produce results. The solution is understanding from research that reversal is possible for recently grayed hair when you identify and correct the specific underlying cause, maintain interventions consistently for at least 6 months, eliminate destructive habits including smoking and excessive alcohol, manage stress effectively through daily meditation or other proven techniques, correct nutritional deficiencies through testing and targeted supplementation at therapeutic doses, and maintain realistic expectations about gradual partial improvement rather than complete overnight transformation of all gray hair back to original color throughout your entire head. If this video helped you understand the new research on reversing gray hair naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this cutting-edge information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about the latest science on hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos about groundbreaking research that could help you reverse gray hair. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share the latest scientific discoveries on gray hair reversal. I'll see you in the next video.